YouTube's massive reach makes it the second largest search engine globally, with over 2 billion monthly users. 86% of business-to-consumer brands find YouTube marketing highly effective for audience growth. However, without search engine optimization, even exceptional videos can get lost among over 1 billion competing videos. Mastering search engine optimization is crucial for visibility and success. YouTube's vast reach, as the second largest search engine, offers immense potential with over 2 billion monthly users. 86% of business-to-consumer brands find YouTube marketing effective for growth and engagement. However, without search engine optimization, even outstanding videos can get lost among over 1 billion others, highlighting the necessity of strategic optimization. YouTube SEO involves optimizing videos to rank higher in search results and appear in suggested videos. Key factors include relevance to search queries, watch time, viewer engagement, and metadata quality. The goal is to help YouTube's algorithm connect your content with viewers actively searching for your topic. Keyword research is crucial for YouTube search engine optimization. Use tools like Google Trends, Ahrefs, vidIQ, or TubeBuddy to find what your audience searches for. Target keywords with high search volume and moderate competition. Monitor trends and seasonal patterns. Begin with long-tail keywords, which are specific and easier to rank for new channels. Front-load your primary keyword within the first 60 characters of your title for optimal visibility. Ensure clarity by aligning titles with user intent, avoiding clickbait. Keep titles under 70 characters to prevent truncation. For example, how to bake sourdough bread at home. Beginner's Guide effectively uses keywords and communicates clearly. Focus on the first 125 to 200 characters to hook viewers and include primary keywords. Structure descriptions with a compelling hook, detailed overview, timestamps, and relevant links. Incorporate 3 to 5 keywords naturally, add 2 to 3 hashtags, and link related content. Detailed descriptions enhance watch time by guiding viewers effectively. Strategically using hashtags and tags enhances video discoverability. Incorporate 2 to 3 relevant hashtags in your description, mixing broad and specific ones like hashtag baking and hashtag sourdough bread. Video tags, though minimally impacting ranking, aid in classification. Use 5 to 8 tags, including variations of your primary keyword, to optimize context understanding. Rename video files with descriptive keywords like how to bake sourdough bread beginners.mp4 to enhance discoverability. Upload accurate captions to improve accessibility and search engine optimization, as YouTube's algorithm uses them to understand content. Captions boost watch time and engagement, showing measurable improvements in performance metrics. Custom thumbnails can increase click-through rates by up to 154%. Viewers decide in under 2 seconds, so visual appeal is crucial. Use 1280 by 720 pixels with a 16:9 aspect ratio. Incorporate bold text, vibrant colors, expressive faces, and consistent branding to stand out and attract viewers effectively. Create themed playlists with keyword-rich titles to boost binge watching and session time. Optimize your channel description with relevant keywords, a clear value proposition, and an upload schedule. Design professional channel art to communicate your niche and brand identity. Add 5 to 7 relevant keywords in your channel settings for better categorization. Engagement signals like watch time, average view duration, likes, comments, and shares are crucial for YouTube's algorithm. They indicate content quality and relevance. Encourage viewers to engage by using effective calls to action, such as asking them to like, comment, and subscribe to boost your video's visibility and build a long-term audience. YouTube Analytics offers key insights into your search engine optimization success. Impressions indicate how often your thumbnail appears. Low numbers suggest search engine optimization improvements. Click-through rate reveals the effectiveness of your title and thumbnail. Average view duration measures content engagement. Analyzing traffic sources helps refine keywords, adjust content length, and enhance thumbnails, optimizing your strategy over time. Optimizing a beginner video involves strategic keyword research, like choosing easy bread recipe with 12,000 searches. Craft a title such as Easy Bread Recipe for Beginners, No Knead Bread, and a detailed description with keywords, timestamps, and links. Use a custom thumbnail and strategic hashtags. This approach led to a 340% increase in impressions and 28% higher click-through rate. Avoid keyword stuffing. It harms readability and credibility. Misleading titles lead to quick exits, affecting watch time. Comprehensive, keyword-rich descriptions are crucial. Default thumbnails fail to attract. Custom ones boost click-through rate. Missing calls to action means lost engagement. Ignoring analytics misses improvement opportunities. Each mistake can hinder your YouTube growth strategy. Research keywords by identifying search terms your audience frequently uses. Optimize metadata by crafting compelling titles and descriptions. Add visual elements like custom thumbnails and hashtags. Include captions by uploading transcripts for accessibility. Engage viewers with calls to action to build community. Monitor analytics to refine your strategy. Consistency, search engine optimization, and quality drive YouTube growth.